This is cottage cheese. And me and Laura, we are coming from the country where milk is not a problem. It's everywhere and it's a lot of milk. And we, in Latvia, we make a lot of milk products. Different level of, the milk is different level of fat. And back home, of course, we are not making cottage cheese by ourselves because you can go just to the shop and buy it. Then we miss kind of this milk products. I never been really drinking a milk that's not my product. I don't like it, but I like cottage cheese. I like cheese. What we do now is, I will show you. Give me one can, yeah. So we buying milk in cans like this. So how many liters is it? 5. So it's 5 liters, and from 1 can we can get about 1 kilogram of almost 1 kilo of cottage cheese. We decided to make cheese cones. It's like a pancakes, so that's how it looks like, and with a little bit of yogurt, it's super yummy. Happy, believe me. Laura's watching yesterday's episode, and and I'm eating cheese cones. This always seems so easy, and okay, let's try. Very good. That guy is selling buckets. Interesting way to advertise it. When you're watching my vlog and see all the things we're doing, it may feel kind of like careless. So we are careless, that we don't care about the situation, we don't worry about it, but it's actually just a way how we trying to get our shit out. When I'm looking at the local people, that's actually a good example for me, because the way what they are doing at the moment, everybody has the same problems and everybody is in a deep, right? But what they do, they just come together, sing karaoke and just singing all the shit out. I don't like karaoke. I'm actually a musician and been studying in a music school for 9 years, but I don't feel that it's something what can help me, so I just go diving. I do free diving. I do all these crazy projects at the moment. I do vlogging every day. Vlogs make me move every single day and think about something new to show you. So please guys, support me in that. And when it will be over, I will still be here, and we will meet and we will do all the things I'm doing at the moment in a vlog. We will do it together. Okay, see you on the water. Laura just said my freediving moments is like really diverish. It's like I'm moving like a diver underwater, not really like a freediver. Like Laura said, Elliot did the freediving course and that's why he's like a smooth and nice underwater, while I'm like a fucking technical diver doing freediving. That's how they picking up the mangoes.
Young mangoes.
Yeah.
Stay long here, eh?
And that's the mangoes. Pickers. Sometimes 100, sometimes 200 kilos from one tree.
Like this maybe 100 kilos.
100 kilos.
So from this tree will be 100 kilograms. And the price at the moment for 1 kilo for this big mangoes is 10,000 rupiah, which is about $1. Yeah.
No,
less than $1.
$7.
Huh?
70 cents.
70 cents.
70 cents for 1 kilogram. Believe me, that this type of the mango is not the same what we ate in the Philippines, which is a yellow one, but it's a really good one. And this is how it looks inside. So it's like, I don't know, it's different yellow color. It's more intense yellow.
Welcome. Enjoy.
World is definitely going crazy this year. Rain in September. Rain in September, when 8 months a year we have no any drop of the rain, and now we have it.